Hi, in last video we have seen fundamentals of the UAV. Now we'll go with a design of the UAV. This is very important. Okay, so design of the UAV. Okay, see here we having a overview of mission requirements. When you are going to design any UAV or any aircraft, we need a initial parameters to design a heavier aircraft. Okay, so we will see the what are the mission requirements for designing the UAV. Okay, first one is weight. Okay, here I have considered 10 kg weight. Okay, this is the total weight of the UAV. Okay, this is the total weight of the UAV. Okay, we should not exceed this weight, so we will design below this 10 kg. And stall speed. Okay, this is the minimum velocity required to produce enough lift to take off. Okay, this is the stall speed. Say third one is cruise speed. Okay, when you are in level flight, we having a flight speed, that is a cruise speed. Here I have considered cruise speed 20 meter per second. And what about payload? What about payload? So we having a 2 kg of payload for this UAV. Okay, this is important. And cruising time. Here I am going to design a UAV for 20 minutes of endurance. Okay, endurance. Okay, 20 minutes of endurance. So these are the mission requirements. Based on this, we will design the full scale UAV.